this is Mars Maths classes, and before starting the video, please go through the link and subscribe the channel. This is my request, so please do it. Now come to the chapter 8, triangles theorem. Number 1, the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So this is a triangle ABC, it is given, and we have to prove that sum of angles means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. This we have to be proved. So you can write given a triangle ABC, and to prove it the sum of angles will be 180. We have to construct a line parallel to BC like this. Give the name. Suppose this is C, this is C, so it becomes D, and this is E. Given, you can write construction, you can write construct a line parallel to BC, which is DAE. You can write it yourself and prove. This I will show. So here give the name to the angles. Suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and here 4 and 5. So it is easier to prove. You know that the BC is parallel to DE, then angle 4 and angle 2 are equal. It means both are alternate interior angles. Same here, angle 5 is equal to angle 3. So you can write here angle 4 is equal to angle 2, alternate interior angles, and angle 5 is equal to angle 3, alternate interior angles. Now write the sum of the angles. Angle 1 plus angle, here you can use the sum of these three angles on a straight line will be 180 degree, because we will not take sum of angle 1, 2, 3, because this is we have to be proved. So we will take the sum of these three angles lie on a straight line on the same side. So angle 4 plus angle 1 plus 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Now from these two, angle 2 is equal to angle 4, substitute this value. So angle 1 plus, here you can write it angle 2, and here angle 5 will be equal to angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Now sum of these three interior angles in a triangle will be 180 degree, hence proved. See the steps. Next theorem. If a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. What does it mean? This is a triangle, a side of a triangle. So give the name A, B, C. So side BC is produced. This is produced. Then the exterior angle, this is the exterior angle. Here give the name D. ACD is the exterior angle, is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angle. For this exterior angle, these two are opposite interior angles. So it becomes what you have to prove, to be proved. Angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. Now for proof, we will take the sum of angles will be 180 degree in a triangle. So angle A plus angle B plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree, and this is 1 and other angle on a straight line. AC is the ray standing on it, or you can say linear pair. Here linear pair are formed. The sum of linear pair will be 180 degree. Use it. You can write it angle ACB plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. This is second. Right here linear pair, and here you can show sum of angles in a triangle will be 180 degree. Sum, you can write yourself interior angles. Now from first and second equate. So you will get angle A plus angle B plus angle ACB is equal to, both are 180 degree, so put both are equal. Angle ACB plus angle ACD. Now cut it because both are same. So you get, look again, both are 180 degree. So put equal these two and cut it. Now you will get angle A plus angle B is equal to angle ACD. This we have to be proved. Okay. Now here, see this. Not here B plus C. It will be changed. Angle B plus angle A. This becomes angle A. So this becomes an exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. Sum of two interior opposite angles. Now this is the corollary. An exterior angle of a triangle is greater than either of the interior opposite angles. So here given exterior angle of a triangle ABC, and to prove this exterior angle is greater than each opposite interior angles. So you can show it. Angle 4 is greater than angle 1, angle 4 is greater than angle 2. We are numbering it. And for proof, you will use exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angle, which we have proved in previous theorem second here. So we will use of this theorem in the corollary. Now look at angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. This is exterior angle and equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. If we remove one angle from here, so this becomes angle 4 not equal to angle 1. It should be greater than 1 if we remove 1 from here, 2 from here. So you can take angle 4 is greater than angle 1. And if we remove 1 from here, if we suppose 1 we are removing from here, then the value of 4 will be bigger than angle 2 because you are deducting some part. So this part will be more than the part. So you can write it, angle 4 is greater than angle 2. Okay. If you will remove one part, then automatically it would be greater. If either an angle 1 or angle 2. So you can show like this. Proved. Now this you can understand easily with an example. Suppose you are having 500 rupee note and you can write it 200 plus 200 plus 100. Okay, now remove this part from here, so you can't put equal sign. That time this part will be bigger. Only this concept we are using to show exterior angle always greater than each opposite interior angles. Now I think you got my point with the example. I explained theorems in this video based on triangles. In next video, I will solve the exercise 8 of chapter triangle. Please watch my videos and get benefits. Here I explained so well. Every step of solution I explain nicely. I expect from the students, please watch my videos, like, share and subscribe. And a special thanks to my subscribers. Now thanks to all.